3 girls, 14 days, and one epic road trip across Kerala. We are Candida Lewis, Ankita Kumar, and Nusra Shakir. 3 avid travelers and content creators with very different backgrounds and traveling styles. Candida, a biker, Ankita, a solo traveler, and Nusra, someone who enjoys traveling in a group. We boss women come together for an epic road trip across Kerala for 2 weeks across 6 amazing places. From exploring beaches to tea plantations, from staying in luxurious floating cottages to quaint cabins, we will showcase the most unique side of Kerala to you guys. This is Rahim ji. He's from Savari. This car is going to be with us for the next 14 days now. Yeah. Next 14 days, and we're excited. First stop on the Kerala road trip was Varkala. We started our journey by staying in this gorgeous property called Trip is Life. This beautiful cabin is perched on a cliff overlooking the ocean. The views are insane, and sleeping under the stars while listening to the sound of the waves is an experience that can't really be put into words. So it's day 2 of our road trip across Kerala, and we're super excited to be going to this unique place which both of us haven't visited yet. So it's called the Jatayu Earth Center, and it has this massive statue of the Jatayu, and we've seen some crazy pictures of it, so we can't wait to see what it actually looks like.
ये जटायु अर्थ सेंटर के पीछे एक ऐतिहासिक कहानी है। कहा जाता है जब रावण ने सीता को हर के ला रहे थे तब कर्नाटका के लेह पक्षी जैसे पहुंचते हैं तो रावण जटायु का एक पर काट देता है। वो जटायु एक पर के बल से सीता को बचाने के लिए यहाँ तक पीछा करता है और यहाँ पर रावण उसे दूसरा पर भी काट के गिरा देता है, जिसमें उसकी मृत्यु यहाँ हो जाती है। और इसके मृत्यु होने के बाद श्री राम जी यहाँ, मृत्यु होने से पहले श्री राम जी यहाँ पहुँचते हैं और इसे मतलब मोक्ष प्रदान करते हैं ये अपने जटायु को। सो वो इसीलिए ये ऐतिहासिक पूरा ये यहाँ पर बनाया गया है और ये एक अर्थ सेंटर मतलब से एक कल्चरल सेंटर के रूप में इसको डेवलप किया जा रहा है।
So we just drove down from Varkala to Munroe Island, and we are on a boat tour of this entire island. We just started it, so pretty excited. The sun's just setting and there's this beautiful light, and we are on this small boat going through the canals and stuff, so pretty excited. And
the population is 10,000. 10,000.
And how big is it? How big is it?
But it's 600.
After a short drive to Alleppey, we are here at the Spice Roots reception building. So this is where everyone comes in and checks in, and also you can read books about the birds in this area, all the different boats. There are a lot of photos of all the famous people that have taken these luxury boats as well, like the king and queen. Yeah, so you enter into that amazing place like a hall of fame, and then you walk right at the backyard is where all the boats are parked. So as you can see over here, they have about 6 houseboats. This is where they dock in the night as well, and they set out early in the morning. And yeah, they have houseboats ranging from 1 BHK to 5 BHK. And right from the start of the tour till the end, it's super scenic. The backwaters of Kerala are really amazing. These Spice Route houseboats are ultra luxurious boats, and as you can see, the interiors are gorgeous. They give you such a cozy, homely vibe. And the best part about these boats is this fantastic view of the backwaters. So we are in the backwaters of Alleppey. We've just come on a small canoe ride through the canals. These big houseboats can't really come into these narrow canals, which is why we've taken this small little boat, and we're just going to be weaving through all of these places, and we'll be showing you around. Already halfway into this trip, and we've only covered 2 places so far, but what an incredible experience it has been. Like, Kerala is so diverse, and every few hundred kilometers, the cuisine changes, the culture is different, the taste of food is so very different, and also the landscape. Alleppey is so different from Varkala. We just spent an amazing time by the beach, and now we are on the backwaters, and yeah, it's been an incredible.
Yeah, it's like every day we've witnessed an epic sunset. Every day we've been running for cover in the rain. The first wonderful sunset that we experienced was in Varkala, where I don't really think we have any footage of it because we were just running around and trying to cover the cameras. But it was sunset time, so the entire sea was bathed in orange, and suddenly these grey clouds appeared and they covered the whole scene. So it was dark grey and dark orange, and there was smoke coming out from the sea.
Yeah, because the rain was really cold and the sea water was hot.
Yeah.
And it was the most magical experience that we've had so far.
We are at the Spice Roots luxury cruises enjoying some onion pakoda with this view, so you can just imagine how happy we are.
We're super happy. We are on this boat named Fennel. So basically all their boats have different spice. They're named after different spices. So it's really cool, and look at the places we're going through. And it's definitely a luxury boat because we get like such amazing meals.
And Manish was there back in 2016 when I had come. That was like my first ever like houseboat experience, and Manish was the one who was at the boat, and I was so happy to meet him like 4 years later. And yeah, the hospitality hasn't changed a bit since I last came here. It's just been such a beautiful 2 days, no?
So this is the first time I'm actually on a houseboat, even though I've come to Kerala almost like 20 times. I'm just so happy that I got to drive something after 3 long months of not being on a motorcycle, not driving a car, nothing. So at least I got to ride a boat. So it's super exciting, even though we're going slow. But yeah, it's gonna rain very soon, and what a lovely sunset and the view of the boat, of the birds and everything. So cheers, have a good evening. Such a great trip so far, and I can't wait to come back and get my family over here as well. So cheers.